The parts of a torchlight. So as you know children, this is a torchlight. What all are the different parts? Here you have one transparent glass covering, and inside that you can see a reflector. This reflector is used in order to maximize the light which comes from this small bulb. The tiny bulb and the little amount of energy from the dry cells which is being received by this small bulb, that will be maximized with the help of this reflector. Then you can see this is a barrel, a metal barrel, and a switch. When we switch it on, the entire circuit from the bulb to the cells and the back portion and the wire which is connected to the switch, that all when it is completing the circuit because of switching on the switch, then the entire circuit is complete without any gap, and the flow of energy will take place which will allow the light to glow, the bulb to glow. Then you can see this last part, a cap which we can open, and when we are able to see here, this is a spring. This is called as a metal spring. This metal spring will push the cells which are present inside the barrel of this battery. When it is pushed and when we switch on, then the bulb will glow. Then inside the barrel you can see we require in this torchlight 2 dry cells. These 2 dry cells have to be connected in this way. That is, the positive and negative terminal. This negative terminal of this cell should be connected with the positive terminal of another cell. And this negative terminal of second cell will be in contact with the spring. And the front portion of the first cell, that is the positive terminal of the first cell, will be in contact with the bulb which is present inside this. And this whole circuit will be closed, and when we switch on, then the bulb will glow. So in your textbook it is given that instead of cells being arranged in this way with positive and negative, if the first cell is placed in this way, then what will happen? The bulb will not glow. Why? Because this is not the proper way. The positive terminal of one cell should be in contact with the negative terminal of another cell. One is cell. This is a dry cell. When in any electrical appliance, not in electrical, but in any appliance which runs with the cell, in that instead of using one cell, if we are using more than one cell, then it is called as a battery. So usually people will call for this torchlight also battery, but actually battery means more than one cell connected in a proper way. So when we place the cells in a proper way with positive terminal and negative terminal, and the negative terminal of first battery should be in contact with the positive terminal of next cell. So then only the entire circuit will be closed. Then you can put it in proper way, and you have to just observe whether it is glowing or not. Then here you can see children, in the upper part nowadays, instead of the older type of cell, LED bulbs, instead of old type of bulb, LED bulbs are also used. Here we can see a simple LED bulb is present, and this is the reflector. Because of this reflector only the light will be maximized. Then this is the transparent glass cover which will allow the light to come out, and that will be attached in this way, and then this will be fit. So this LED bulb, its negative terminal should be, this is a negative terminal, this should be in contact with the cell, its positive terminal, then only the bulb will glow. Internally, if you observe, when we completely open this torchlight, here near the switch, if you carefully observe, there you can see a metal strip. when we switch it on, this metal strip will be compressed and it will touch the battery or push the battery little forward so that the cell is touching the negative terminal. So in this way the torch light will provide the light. Thank you.